We've set up a bit of a busy beach. Okay, let me show you. Okay, we put all objects in the way. The guys need to run through and get to the beach shop, pick up a piece of beach equipment that they fancy, and then bring it back to their base. It's the person who can get the most pieces of equipment back. Okay, but you're only allowed to pick up one piece of equipment. Okay, so Wilson, push the cars to the side. Okay, are you ready? On your marks, get set, go!
People, watch out!
Okay, so you're dodging those people on the beach. You don't bump into them. What's Wilson going to pick up? Pick something up, Wells? Oh, nice one. Mermaid slide. Liza's gone for mermaid slide. Okay, you can make this easier or harder. Okay, this time, guys, you have to run backwards. Can you run backwards? Run backwards, Wells. That's sideways like a crab. You running backwards, Liz?
Oh, back!
Backwards. Run backwards.
Oh, backwards.
Backwards. Watch those people. That's good. Watch those people, Wells. Oh, he's got a bucket.
Once again!
He's got a bucket. Okay, this time, can you crawl? Can you crawl?
Crawl around the people.
Crawl around the people. Crawl around the people. Eliza's going to get
Seahorse.
a seahorse. Well done. And well, good Wells. Good Wells. Good crawling. So gross motor skills, different types of activities. They have to think of what they want. And as you can hear, they're breathing heavily. So they get nice and physically active, and they're having fun at the same time.
And